1979 GMC K15 Sierra Classic, $3,500, Edmonds, Washington. This 1979 GMC K15 Sierra Classic combines rugged 4x4 capability with vintage appeal. Powered by a 400 small block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it offers reliable performance for its age. Recent updates include a new distributor, plugs and wires, front brakes, rotors, calipers, wheel bearings, and a fuel pump. The 33x12 50R15 all-terrain tires on Blazer alloy wheels ensure it's ready for off-road adventures. The truck exhibits typical square body rust, adding to its character. While a notarized affidavit in lieu of title is included, it's essentially a title substitute. This is a fantastic option for enthusiasts seeking an affordable, classic 4x4 project. Two, 1975 Chevrolet C10 V8 SWB, $5,000, Stockton, California. This 1975 Chevrolet C10 short bed pickup offers a solid foundation for restoration or customization. With its original V8 engine, this truck has received upgrades, including a newly installed Edelbrock carburetor. While it runs, some additional work is needed to make it roadworthy. The faded flat black paint has a unique sheen, enhanced by a poor man's clear coat technique. Floors and rockers are solid, with minor rust near the passenger rear tire and cab corners. Smog exempt due to its vintage, this C10 is an ideal choice for someone seeking a classic pickup with charm and potential. Three, 1975 Ford F250 dump truck, $4,900, Corte Madera, California. Perfect for heavy-duty tasks, this 1975 Ford F250 dump truck is a functional workhorse. Powered by a 390 V8 engine and a manual transmission, the truck features a fully operational dump bed measuring 7/6" by 9/6. Recent updates include new tires, a starter, and additional fuel filters. Although the interior requires attention, including rusted floor pans, new replacements are included, this truck offers impressive utility. With a clean title and no smog requirements, it's a practical investment for work-focused buyers. Four, 1978 Ford Ranchero GT, $7,900, Houston, Texas. This 1978 Ford Ranchero GT stands out with its sleek lines and classic style. Featuring a 351 Windsor engine with under 69,000 miles, this all-original vehicle has been freshly repainted, enhancing its vibrant green exterior. With a clean title and smooth operation, it's ready to hit the road. Ideal for enthusiasts seeking a vintage vehicle with both functionality and aesthetic appeal, this Ranchero offers a rare blend of car-like comfort and truck versatility. Five, 1968 Chevy C10, $5,500, Rio Dell, California. A blend of patina charm and practicality, this 1968 Chevy C10 long bed pickup is an excellent classic truck for cruising or building. It runs on a SBC 307 engine with a 3-speed manual transmission and has been updated with new brakes, shocks, and a Flowmaster exhaust. The interior features a new dash pad, door seals, and a heater in working order. However, rust issues above the windshield and in other areas may require attention. This truck is a worthwhile project for someone who appreciates vintage Chevy craftsmanship. 6. 1966 Ford F250 Styleside, $6,700. This 1966 Ford F250 Styleside is a well-maintained classic with minimal rust and a straight body. Powered by a 352 V8 engine with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, it features numerous upgrades, including a new radiator, brake lines, electronic ignition, and tires. Inside, a Bluetooth radio and new carpet add modern comfort. With a clean title and excellent mechanical condition, this truck is a pleasure to drive and a solid investment for vintage Ford fans. Seven. 1983 Ford F250, $900. An affordable project truck. This 1983 Ford F250 offers a solid foundation for restoration. Equipped with a 460 engine and automatic transmission, the vehicle was running when parked, but now requires some electrical and fuel system work. With no rust or dents and a clean title, this truck's potential shines through. It's perfect for someone looking to breathe life back into a sturdy classic. 8. 1987 Chevrolet K20 Square Body 4x4, $3,500, Thornton, Colorado. This 1987 Chevrolet K20 Square Body offers rugged 4x4 capability and a clean title at an attractive price. With 100,000 miles, the truck runs exceptionally well and features a striking blue paint job. Its durability and classic Chevy style make it a great choice for someone seeking a functional and affordable vintage truck. 9. 1972 Jeep J4000 Custom Cab, $3,500, Laramie, Wyoming. Rare and rugged, this 1972 Jeep J4000 Custom Cab features unique trim elements like wood grain door panels and badges. With a 113,000-mile odometer, a strong V8 engine, and a Dana 60 rear end, it's built for performance. Minor repairs, such as a brake booster replacement, are needed, but the seller offers a green 1972 Jeep Grand Wagoneer parts car to sweeten the deal. This Jeep is an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a distinctive classic. 10. 1978 Chevy 3/4-ton 4x4, $6,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1978 Chevy 3/4-ton 4x4 combines vintage character with robust performance. Powered by a 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it boasts a winch bumper, new tires, and 4x4 capability. Running and driving well, this truck is ready for work or play. Its classic styling and utility make it a standout option for vintage Chevy enthusiasts. Number 11. 1971 Ford F100 Ranger XLT, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1971 Ford F100 Ranger XLT is a well-preserved classic with a factory air conditioning system, dual gas tanks, and a built-in toolbox. Powered by a V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, it recently completed a long-distance drive without issue. Upgrades include a new master cylinder, wheel cylinders, and fuel pump. Its patina finish adds vintage charm, while the clean title ensures hassle-free ownership. 12. 1977 Dodge Power Wagon W200 4x4, 13500, Reno, Nevada. This 1977 Dodge Power Wagon W200 4x4 offers rugged off-road capability and vintage appeal. Featuring a 440 big block engine, it includes updates like a new carburetor, brake master cylinder, and U-joints. The straight body, working rear airbags, and dual fuel tanks enhance its utility. With receipts documenting previous maintenance, this truck is a fantastic choice for those seeking a capable and collectible Dodge classic.